This part of the tape job is considered the close-up. This part occurs after you complete the heel locks. The close-up starts with a strip half on and half off the last heel lock. The strip will be angled at a slightly diagonal orientation. It'll come around the leg and finish just past where it started. So starting position here, finish position there. The next strip will repeat the first strip, half on, half off, same orientation. The next strip will repeat what the second strip did, half on, half off. And you'll repeat the same pattern until you arrive at the top anchor. The last strip will be applied half on and half off the previous strip, and it should also cover the top anchor and part of where the pre-wrap exists. That will complete the last portion of the close-up from the middle of the ankle to the top of the tape job. The last strip we will complete is closing up the bottom anchor. This strip will cover where the heel locks are located, and it will also cover the bottom anchor. It comes around the medial aspect and finishes on top of it will transition down the medial aspect of the foot, come around the bottom of the foot, and finish just past where it started. And that completes my video demonstration of how to perform a tape job for injury prevention purposes.